Hakasin Beningkong Kasin Xavier'S College Um-Oid Southwest Khasi Hills Kalapha Sauphongut ki Samla Hakakinhon Beningkong Iakhun ye ke examine final Bachelor's Arts ki brang up ye ki result na Northeastern Hill University. Haga khat artarik jeliu kini ke college kalapelong ye ke jingalang khuble kitbok ye kini ki Sauphongut ki Samla ki bala pendap ye ke jingpuli na kini ke persarajing start. O Principal Reverend Padar Sani Augustine kinohikai bagi Samla puli kila khuble kitbok ya kini kinhon beningkong kabadang up iki result PA. O Reverend Padar Sani ulakar khu kardok bu ulakentui kini gisaw phongot banlong ki atiar ba kinuk sabab ha kajing jengki hakmat ki para briu. Ulakit bok bakalawi jengki kan urlong kumba ki angnut lagi jong ki donot. La ai burom kerpang ye ke Samla ibadalin wanyang ya ke busket best outgoing graduate hakani kesni.
Graduates, Father George, Sister Blastina, my staff members, and to you, dear students. Life passes on in moments of time. Some of you have been here for the last 5 years, and some others for 3 years. We cannot go back to what we have already passed. But we can relive the experience of the past, reliving and feeling again the experiences that we have will have the power to take us and transcend us beyond the walls of our own campus. Dear outgoing first batch of graduates, this graduation day helps you to recall the strengthening experiences you have had in St. Xavier's. It's a blessing to share them with one another. And we too are part of that blessing you have left behind in our life here. You never know where you will be the next time you wish to come back to your memories of St. Xavier's. But you can always come back to your memories every time you want to come back. You are the face of St. Xavier's. You represent the power St. Xavier's has, especially of the values that you
I, Orlansius Jerua.
I, Dirang Singh Kharonyang.
I, Silverstar Kharonyang.
I will go Indo.
I, Augustine Jerua.
I, McDonald Khoi.
I, Francisco Alcoma.
I, Vanre Langjarua.
I, Badalin Wanyang.
I, Balagas Jarua.
I, Damantra Linkoy. I, Ranisha Kowa.
I, Santa Mary Karonyang.
I, Melvia Wanyang.
I, Lucina Karonyang.
I, Shintin Kalira. I, Pibakor Lalrakon.
I, Chifol.
I, Bashinti Snaikon. I, Ivan Pintiganlindo.
I, Ramika Karaswar.
I, William Kalonyang.
I, Rupailin Wanyang.
I, Rosvinda Linkoy. I, Liful Susika Lindo.
I, Winnie Mary Karaswai.
I, Gita Nares Lindo. I, Peaceful Rika. I, Rahoti Shalindo Linkoy. I, Badakun Lindo. I, Balarisha Lindo. I, Badakulan Lindo. I, Ibadarin Lindo.
In the presence of my teachers and coaches, solemnly promise that I will cherish values of St. Xavier's College and will always remain true to my alma mater. I promise that I will be a continuous learner, improving my knowledge and skills, and bear loyalty to my profession and strive to develop my community. I will do my best to pass on my learning and values I have gained in St. Xavier's to my community. I will lead those entrusted to my care on the path of knowledge and wisdom, truth and sincerity, justice and peace, teaching them the mystery of God and the beauty of His creation. In doing so, I will treat everyone as a unique person, created in the image of God, destined to share